In this video, we explore two special tools in Python, *args and *kwargs. They let your functions accept as many arguments as you want, without knowing the number ahead of time. Normally, a function expects an exact number of inputs. *args and *kwargs remove that limit, letting callers pass as few or as many arguments as they like. Think of *args as an open shopping bag. You drop in as many items as you like, and the bag holds them all. *kwargs is a bag where every item also has a label, like name equals Alice. We define a function called total, with a single parameter written as *args. The star tells Python to scoop up every positional argument passed in, and pack them into a tuple named args. Now we call total with 3 numbers, then again with just 2. Because args is a tuple, the built-in sum function adds them up perfectly either way. *kwargs works the same way, but for keyword arguments. Each name equals value pair you pass in becomes a key value entry in a dictionary called kwargs inside the function. Running the full program, total of 1, 2, 3 prints 6, and total of 10, 20 prints 30. Then greet prints each keyword argument on its own line. Python handle all of that automatically. With fixed parameters, you must always pass the exact right number of values. *args and *kwargs remove that restriction, which is why you see them constantly in library code and wrapper functions. Remember, *args is your open bag for positional values, and *kwargs is your labeled bag for named values. Reach for them whenever a function needs to stay flexible about how many arguments it receives.